And once the dispatcher servlet comes to know regarding the formal name, it will take the help of view resolver in order to find the actual name of the view. And the actual name, it can find it out from this view folder with an extension .jsp. So right now it will return index. This method will return index. It will try to find out within view, and it will try to append the entire thing, that is the formal name with the extension .jsp. So this is what we have done till now. We have specified a controller, we have specified a view resolver, we have created a view which is a normal JSP page, and we have also instantiated the dispatcher servlet. We did all the configurations within here, and in order to scan like where the controller is, or to start working with the handler mapping, we need to specify one of the tags, that is context component scan. So with the help of this tag, the dispatcher servlet can scan the base package, and the base package is nothing but your com.techloop.mks. So within this package, wherever it finds an annotation, it will scan or it will try to read it out. And once it comes to know that yes, this is at the rate controller annotation, and then it will try to execute that particular class. So this is what we have done till now. So let us update this project. So once you update the project, you can run it now over the server. So earlier, if you remember, we got a 404 error, and this time it is giving or it is displaying the hello world successfully. So let us try to give some other messages. Welcome to the carkharido.com. Let us stop the server and run this project once again. So click on run as and run on server. So right now it should show welcome to the carkharido.com, and you can see that whenever a request comes with slash or slash index, it is trying or it is rendering the same thing. So while executing, you can see the controller has been instantiated, and the mapping which has been done, that is slash index, it is also being read by the dispatcher servlet, which you can notice it from here, that mapped URL path slash index, and where it is mapped within your home controller. So with this, we have completed successfully the first thing. So let us rewind all the things that we have done. So first, we created a Maven project. After creating a Maven project, we specified the group ID and the artifact ID, and then we proceeded for specifying or choosing the archetype, that is web app type. After specifying the archetype, the Maven created a structure for our web application, and this is the structure. You can notice it from here. So the first thing that I started with is web.xml, and within the web.xml I instantiated the dispatcher servlet. The dispatcher servlet is a servlet which is a predefined one given in the Spring MVC framework, and in order to forward all the request HTTP request to the dispatcher servlet, we did a mapping, that is URL pattern slash. After this, the dispatcher servlet needs the dependencies in order to give a HTTP response. In order to provide all the configurations, we created another XML file or configuration file, and here we specified bin or the dependencies. The dependencies which it needs is handler mapping and view resolver and the controller. So here you can find it out. This is the view resolver dependency which is being given to the dispatcher servlet, and here we have specified that this is the base package which the dispatcher servlet needs to scan in order to find some annotations, and based on the annotations it can start working. So while scanning, the dispatcher servlet comes to know that yeah, there is a annotation which is being specified within the home controller class or within this package, and the annotation which we have specified is at the rate controller. So now it came to know that yes, this is a controller, and this controller is going to take the request and is going to invoke some particular methods based on the mapping or on based on the some methods like get and post. So here we have specified the mapping. So whenever a request comes with slash index or slash, the controller invokes this particular method, and this method returns the index or the formal name of the view. After getting the formal name of the view, it went to the view resolver in order to resolve the actual name. So once it get the actual name, it renders the view in the form of HTTP response to the client. So this was the flow of the Spring MVC and for the Hello World project or for the Hello World part. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please be tuned for other videos over the same series.